Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for yet another Love Bite. These are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cappies, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, all right. Okay. Somebody wants to come out of a stuck place for a new beginning. Okay. Somebody wants to show up now as the King of Pentacles. That's the overall energy of my reading, Capricorn. This is going to be interesting. Let's see what's happening here. I do see somebody, like I said, center of my spread, Hangman in reverse, wanting to come out of this stuck place, but right now maybe feeling a little embarrassed and ashamed to maybe come towards this beautiful Empress. Things have really stagnated in this connection, but somebody wants to send in a message now, but they don't know what to say, but they desperately want to come out of feeling stuck all the time, maybe wanting to have a brand new beginning with this Empress now. This King of Pentacles could be wanting to send this message. They're making some kind of a decision here. Let's see what that's going to be. But first, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards, Capricorn. If you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Capricorn and their person, spirit. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Let's take a few from here. Capricorn and their person, spirit. Capricorn and their person. And a couple from here as well. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. All right, good to go, Capricorn. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with a karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. You say that I'm your divine true love and that I'm always on your mind. I don't understand that how you could have ghosted, ignored, or even blocked me so much over the years. There are times when you've denied my existence so much that I felt that the pain might only end if I no longer existed. It irritates me that you mock my spirituality when I'm doing everything I can do to learn and grow and become a better person. You tease me and make fun of my beliefs. I find that very hurtful as you're unwilling to even talk with me about them. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? Always on my mind and in my heart. Yes, that's you, always and forever. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. Yes, like I said, somebody does want to now show up as the King of Pentacles, but feeling a little embarrassed and ashamed of the way they've behaved maybe in the past. And they're contemplating, thinking of their mistakes. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in my dreams. I long to talk with you again. Yes, somebody definitely wants to talk, send a message or something to try and have another start here. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. So this could have been an issue. That's the reason I think this came to a stagnancy, and no wonder this person is embarrassed and ashamed of their own behavior. Maybe they never wanted to have commitment, they just wanted to have fun and not do the right thing. Deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise my soul will be by your side for all eternity. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. So as much as I think this person wants to now talk, they are contemplating it, do want to come out of a stuck place, but so does this Empress, I think. This Empress has now kind of been through so much of hurt and pain that I think they felt totally destroyed by what's happened in this connection. I don't think they're going to be in a rush for a reconciliation. Let's start clarifying these cards and see what's going to happen. But before that, Capricorn, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Forgiveness. The situation, Capricorn, requires forgiveness. Either maybe you have to forgive this person for they did not know better in the past, or maybe you have to forgive yourself for, sometimes you start blaming yourself because you feel maybe I did something wrong, that's why this person never committed, or there's something wrong with me. So start by first forgiving yourself. You are shining, you're the Empress, right? You've earned this throne with a lot of pain and heartbreak. So first and foremost, I think my angels are saying forgive yourself and then forgive this person. Whether you want them back, don't want them back, that'll be a different story. Okay, I think they really do want your forgiveness now. So let's see. And Capricorn, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can send me an email there. So Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. Knight of Pentacles. Yes, see, I told you. Somebody wants to come in slow and stable with a strong, stable offer. They want to appear in a different avatar now as the King of Pentacles. They want to come in not rushing in just for passion or anything like that. They actually want to come strong, slow, steady with a message, a text or something, hoping that, they can get their person to return back to them. They want to return or they want their person to return. So what's this Page of Wands, Spirit? Page of Wands. Yes, this person hasn't been happy. This person has not been happy because maybe things have been totally stuck between the two of you. They feel they maybe went the wrong direction or something here, but they do want to open up. If they've been holding back for all this while, not showing their emotions or something, they do want to open up now by sending some kind of message to this Empress. And what about the Empress, Spirit? What does the Empress want to say here? Madam Empress, what would you like to say? The Empress says, I am so done. I'm so done with this stagnancy. I feel it's over. I'm sitting on my throne now. I'm doing well. I'm growing by myself. And this past person has really put me through the ringer here. So, 6 of Wands, Spirit. 6 of Wands in reverse. Yeah, somebody is feeling rather ashamed and embarrassed that they never really gave in this connection. Maybe they were only taking. There was no balance, there was no equality, there was no equal give and take. And now they're recognizing the part that they've played, in driving this Empress away. And now this person is very ashamed. They've kind of fallen off their pedestal now in the eyes of this Empress. Hanged Man in reverse, Spirit. Hanged Man in reverse. They're recognizing how this epiphany has come to them now. They're recognizing how they lost this connection, why this relationship was not strong. It's because they're recognizing the part they played in it. Maybe they were pulled in two different directions. Maybe they never made a choice. They never made a decision to, take it to the next level. But now this person does want to come out of this stuck place. So what's this Fool card, Spirit? Fool card. Oh, They've been thinking heavily about this Empress, I feel, reminiscing about the past memories, about how great it used to be when we were together, and they're recognizing this Empress to be now their soulmate, their best friend, the person they could share everything with, talk to for hours maybe. They're recognizing this connection to be very, very strong, probably a past life connection. This person desperately now wants to transform this connection and bring in a brand new beginning. They really want to put a death to the old and start fresh from scratch, which I saw here as well with the Knight of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. This person wants to like almost start with baby steps and begin again. But there may be a little problem here with the Ten of Swords in reverse, Spirit, and the Three of Cups. What's this Ten of Swords in reverse? Ten of Swords in reverse. I think this is the Empress now. This is the Empress. Yes, absolutely correct. This Empress has already given up on this connection. They've been feeling totally betrayed. They've been through such a dark time. Only why? Because this person has been a magician in reverse. This Empress has felt tricked by them. They feel this person was creating illusions, never really brought any justice to this connection. And now the thought of having them back in their life kind of stresses this Empress out. They are kind of very stressed out because also right now that pain and anger hasn't really completely left them. When they think of this person, they get mad, they get angry, they get stressed out. So, Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Three of Cups in reverse. Three of Cups in reverse. Yes, this Empress is feeling, what's the point of having a reconciliation? They're going to do this again, right? They'll just leave me out in the cold when it's shivering and snowing, and then they'll sit inside this warm house maybe with somebody else. I'm not going to go through that shit again. I mean, I am already in a place where I'm out of this misery now. I've spent enough days, nights, not sleeping and worrying and waiting for them to text or wondering where they are with or who they are with tonight or whatever. I'm now kind of finding my own self, releasing myself of all this stress and tension. Do I want to go back to a place where I've always felt abandoned, always felt small, ignored? Do I really want a reconciliation with them? So somebody is now making a firm decision here. Two of Wands in reverse, not wanting to be at crossroads or waiting. One more. Two of Wands in reverse. Two of Wands in reverse. Yes, I think this is the Empress right now. They are still kind of guarded. I think there's a lot of fear to go back to this person at the moment. So I think this Empress is still kind of keeping herself a little guarded here because they've actually been drained out of all their energy. It's taken them a while now to fill that cup back drop by drop by drop to become the Empress they've become. But when they were in this connection with this past person just kept taking from them, and finally they realized that their cup was empty. Right? So, yes, this Empress is going to now be taking stock of everything that's happened in the past before they make a decision. I don't think this Empress is going to rush in and say, yes, good, you're back and let me jump back in your arms. They're going to take stock. They're going to really see what was the investment put, what will be put or will not be put, and only after that I'm going to make my choice. So yes, somebody has to really work hard here, beg for forgiveness, and actually show this Empress that they've changed. Be this person, an authentic, true person who will actually bring justice into this connection now by not being torn all the time in two different directions, but choosing one and making a firm decision and showing action. No more words, I think, will be accepted by this Empress now, because I think this Empress is glued up so much that they really don't need this person in their life anymore. They may want them, but only if they come correct. right? So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.